Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate an example how we can implement roll-up summary functionality using flow. Okay, so we have a use case here to count the number of unique domain product attached to a opportunity. Okay, so basically there can be multiple products that is attached to a single opportunity. So the products can be from the same domain. So basically we have to count the unique domain attached to a opportunity. Okay, so this is the use case that we are going to solve with the help of flow. Okay, so here we have a schema. So we have opportunity object, we have opportunity product, that is opportunity line item, and both these objects are connected with master detail relationship. Okay, and then we have a product object also that is connected with opportunity line item. So you can see here, so we have a number of domain product, number of domain field on opportunity. In this field we are going to calculate the value, and this field product domain we have on the product object, and also we have same on opportunity line item object. On opportunity line item, it is basically a formula field which copies the value from the product object record. Okay, so let's move on the next slide. Roll-up summary fields are very useful fields in Salesforce. We can create fields to calculate sum, count, mean, max of child record fields. This built-in feature only available if two objects are connected through master detail relationship. There are many object relationships that are defined by lookup fields. In these cases, we cannot use built-in functionality of master detail relationship to create roll-up summary fields. Even if we have a master detail relationship, still in some cases built-in roll-up summary field cannot be used. So this is the case in our example here. So we have master detail relationship between opportunity and opportunity line item, but using built-in roll-up summary field we cannot calculate the unique value or unique count. So that's why we are using flow to do this job. This is how the flow will look like when we create the flow. Okay, so let's move on. So let's create a flow now. Okay, so here I am in developer org. So let me create a flow. So I will go to setup and then I will search flow here, and then we have to click on new flow. Okay, so here we have to select the flow type. So I will select record triggered flow, and then we have to select the object here. So in this case we have to select opportunity product, that is opportunity line item. Okay, and record triggered flow when a record is created or updated. So I will choose this option, and because we are going to update a field on opportunity, so for that reason I'm going to select this option, that is after it will be called after record is saved. Okay, so let's click on done. So now flow is set up. So let me create a few variables. So I will create a variable, and let's say product domain. Okay, so we will store the product domain in this variable. Okay, data type would be text. Okay, done. We have to create one more variable here. So let me create one. So it will be number of domain. So it will store the number of domain that we are going to update on opportunity field. Okay, so this will be number data type. Okay, so done. So we have created two variable now. So let's create let's get the all opportunity line items. Okay, related to particular opportunity. So let's say get opportunity line items. So here we have to select opportunity product again, and then we have to select opportunity ID equals record dot opportunity ID. Okay, so it will only fetch the opportunity product based on the record opportunity, the current record opportunity ID. If it matches the same, then it will fetch all the opportunity line item. Okay, so here we will select all. Okay, done. Now next step is to sort this list based on the product domain. So I'm going to use element called collection sort. So here we'll say sort opportunity line items list. Okay, here we have to select the collection. So this is a get opportunity line item collection, and then we have to sort based on the field called product domain, and it should be in ascending order, and then done. Okay, so now we have sorted this opportunity line item list. Next step is to iterate over this sorted list. So I'm going to use a loop element here. So let's say iterate over opportunity line items. Okay, so and let's select the collection variable here, and done. Okay, here we have to check a condition. So we are going to use a decision element. So we'll say check if current product domain is not equals to previous one. Okay, and here we say true. So we have to check the condition. So to product domain here, so this should not be equal to the product domain field that we had created. Okay, if this is not equals to the product domain, whatever value we have in the product domain, in this case this will follow the true path, otherwise it will follow the default path. Okay, so click on done. Now here we have to do some assignment if it is true. Okay, so let's create assignment here. So you say assign product domain. So we are going to assign a product domain in the variable that we had created. Okay, so let's select the variable here. So product domain equals we will get the value from the current element. Okay, so here we have to select the field, product domain field. Okay, and done. Okay, so now we have assigned the product domain in the variable. Okay, now next step is to assign the domain, number of domain. So basically we have to put the value in the number of domain variable that we had created. So let's use the assign element again. Okay, so here I will say increment number of domain. Okay, so here we have to select the variable and then we'll add 1. Okay, so every time if the condition is true, this we are adding 1 in this variable. Okay, so in this way we will count the number of unique domain. Okay, so let's click on done. Okay, so now we have two assignment if this condition is true. So we have the last step now. So we have the value in the number of domain field or a variable. So now we have to update the opportunity with whatever value we have in number of domain. So let's update the opportunity. So I'm going to use update record element, and let's say update opportunity, and update opportunity number field. So here we have to choose the object. We'll choose opportunity, and then ID will be opportunity ID from opportunity line item. Okay, and here we have a field called product domain, number of domain. We have a number of domain field, and then we have variable here, and we set the variable. Okay, so flow is almost done. So now we have to save this and activate that. Okay, now let's test the feature. Let me open one opportunity here. So as you can see here, we don't have any product attached to this opportunity, and if we check the number of domain field, it's saying it's 0. Okay, we don't have any product, so it's saying 0. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some products. Okay, so I will choose few products here, and here. Okay, so I have chosen few products here, and let me put some quantity. Okay, and I'm going to save. Okay, so we have added 5 products, and if we see the product domain, so for product 1 and 2 we have the product domain mobile. For 3 and 4 we have product domain computer, and for 5th product we have product domain IoT. So